So today we are going to look at the bear flag in the Bitcoin chart. I first start out by putting together a Fibonacci ratio tool. I start from this high and I go down to this low from down here. And then I look at the chart. So typical triangle where the triangle meet and you get a bear flag. Here's the flag. So this drop is this line right here from the current price. The current price, I have one contract sold. The reason why I have one contract sold is because in my previous videos I talked about scalping and using the tools that some scalpers use to scalp the market. And I also talked about I'm really doing this exercise. I'm a rank amateur. I'm really doing this exercise for my 2 teenage daughters. I'm trying to get them to learn how to trade. So, like I took calculus in college, 1984. I did well, but I don't remember the f of x as f approaches infinity. So sometimes I forget the details about the proper bear or bear market or bull market utilization of the Fibonacci ratio tool. But in this case, we see the bull market, so I'm using this version of the retracement tool. But back to the point at hand and why I'm selling short. So we have this bear flag, and this drop to the price here is this white line. So the current market, and I have one contract because the current price of Bitcoin is $8,335. 5% of that is about, I think, $170,000. So I have a virtual $100,000 account. I had a previous trade where I went long on one account during this little market here. In previous videos, you'll see my analysis on that point. But here, I'm not looking in the weeds at the market per se. I'm stepping back and looking at the forest, because today I was chastised by a professional trader who saw my earlier videos, and he didn't like the way I talked about setting up a Fibonacci ratio for a trade. And what I was doing was I was looking way down into the weeds at a 5-minute chart. Looking at this chart, you see I'm on the day chart. So I'm looking at the forest. Now, here's the flag, here's the or the pennant, and here's the pole. And the distance from the drop here is approximately the distance from this current price. Where are we? Yeah. So where's this? So 7,200. So in this range, I expect it could be in the next week, some sort of drop in price. So rather than scalping like I was doing in the last 4 days, just having a blast, unrealistically risking capital and just Wild West, scalping with abandon. But now I want to focus on swing trading. and teach my daughters how I analyze the swing trades. So this is for entertainment purposes only. So I'll publish these on my YouTube channel. Hopefully I get followers, subscribers, and hopefully someday my grandchildren, if I have more grandchildren, will be able to read up or watch my videos and see what's going on. So here it is. So I have a sale here. I'm going to watch this and I'm going to buy that contract down here at about 72, 7100. So that's my swing trade.